Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. We're finishing off this two-part series with a delicious marinated flank steak taco salad. We're also making a taco salad dressing, which we're going to put together first. Let's get started. We're just mixing all these ingredients together. I am using sour cream, although I have used yogurt. The flavor is nearly identical. I'm using Tango Joe's Southwest Sunset Red Chili Powder, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. We just need to whisk all this until it's smooth. Then we're going to add the parsley, or if you're using cilantro, that, and then it's going in the refrigerator. This dressing is going in the refrigerator while we put our marinade together and get our flank steak marinating. We're using equal parts of lime juice and canola oil for this marinade. I'm also adding in about a tablespoon of black peppercorns and a teaspoon of kosher salt. I have 3 cloves of garlic here. These just need to be roughly chopped. And I have 2 large jalapenos. These are getting roughly chopped, and then this is going in the marinade as well. I have 1 very large flank steak here. I'm just cross-hatching this with very shallow cuts on both sides. This helps to keep it from curling when it goes on the grill. I like to marinate steaks in a bag. It makes it easier to turn over and clean up. I'm going to leave this to marinate for at least 4 hours, but it would be better if it marinated overnight. I'm seasoning this very liberally on both sides with this Southwest Sunset chili powder. My grill is preheated to close to 600 degrees. I want those grill grates very hot when I put this down. This has been grilled for 4.5 minutes on each side. Let's put this salad together. Normally I would cut this meat on the bias, but because this is for a salad, I don't want it quite so big. Let's give our taco salad a taste. Oh, I got some steak. Hopefully I can get just about everything in here. Tomato. Probably won't be able to say anything. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.